Let's breathe into a time of meditation. This is our time for our spiritual practice. This is one of the things that makes Unity different from other spaces and places. It's this time of meditation that we take together, this time of contemplation and going within to a deep space of spiritual listening, a space of receptivity. So we engage the practice together in this sanctuary and online, really knowing and feeling that it has an impact, it makes a difference. If we had screens all over and a monitor attached to this room, it would be palpable. You would be able to see and measure where we go in brain waves. In hormonal response. There is an expansion, a deepening, an opening, a healing. So I invite you to take 3 mindful breaths. Just preparing yourself for this sacred time. This is a divine appointment. This practice creates spaciousness in our lives. It impacts our experiences in ways beyond our knowing. We actually create space in meditation that allows us to pause in other moments of reactivity and emotional response. It allows us to slow down enough that there is a spaciousness in mind, that we develop the ability to watch the thinking and to make choices. I choose not to feed that thought with my emotions, or I choose to trace that thought back to its origin and sit with it a while, to hear the cry or the story so that I may be present, so I may heal, so I may birth forth from my true nature, the core of my being, rather than my past, my story, my injury, my assumptions. So as you inhale, drawing high the crown of the head and lengthening the spine, and as you exhale, allowing the shoulders to relax, we feel the fullness of this practice and open up to the benefits of a spacious mind and an open heart. Right where we are, God is. The source of being, the source of life, is within us and among us. There is no place that is absent. It is the field of love, life, wisdom. This life, this intelligence, this substance moves in and through and as our being. In and through and as this experience we call life. So with a deep breath and reverence, we honor that life. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know they are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.